Okay, so I repositioned you onto my rolling cart so it's easier to film and show you some more of the Gothic fabrics that I've acquired over the last year through either my roommate, the thrift store, or some other way. And I have fabrics all around my home. So yeah, let's take a look. So I think I got this piece at the dollar store maybe around Halloween, and it's a nice little perfect thing. This table, a friend found it for me, and I painted the top black, and it's a great table. It's a pile of dirty laundry, ignore that. I bake a lot, so I actually, under this, I have a giant bucket of flour. I don't need to open that. I'm sure you believe me. But I have, hiding it, is this beautiful crushed velvet burgundy fabric. And it's literally just a scrap of fabric I found, who knows where. And yeah, I put it right there. So, and then I have my sloth sitting up there so that if I have any guests come over, they know that, this is a potential seat. Let's move over to the living room. Okay, so hi, welcome to my living room. And this is so many fabrics. So I have a great red blanket here. Yeah, I have a great red blanket here. And then, it's bright enough. There we go. A great red blanket. Black pillow, soft pillow, black rugs, all on like Amazon, Wish, whatever. Then I have this beautiful Satan rug. I got this on Killstar. It's actually a beach towel, but it's really nice and it's gotten a lot of use, and it's so funny to have people come over here and say, let me sacrifice you to Satan. So yeah, and you see my Gothic lair, it's called the dungeon, and you really get a sense of who I am. This is my home, and I'll be so sad to leave it when I go to Florida. But in the meantime, yeah, let's keep talking about fabric. So I just got this pink blanket. It's a nice cotton blanket. It looks like it could be from a hospital or something, but I just washed it. I have this wonderful pillow. I got this at Home Sense during Halloween. And yeah, then I just have like a sheet over here. This is my craft table, my old computer sheet I showed you earlier. I have this. So yeah, I just organized this together. These are petrified fruits. Some more of that green and red fabric. My curtains. And some of this black fabric I showed you earlier. This is just a towel in my very messy vanity. I have a rug, a nice fur rug, pile of fabric, dirty laundry. Oh, this is a beautiful piece. This is what's the word? Apron. This is an apron. Carded it. And it's so hard to believe because it's so beautiful. So I'm so happy that I can be blessed to go to a school where else is able to give new life and meaning to it, right? So I'm really happy about that. I have lots of art, including this beautiful mural that I painted. Yeah, I'm an artist. I'm a painter. I paint a lot. So I painted that and stuck on the bird stickers. So my bathroom is red. I just got these fabrics at the dollar store. They're just drying. Not the dollar store, the thrift store. I did up the shelf with some help from a friend. I painted the walls red myself. And I just redid this yesterday. But essentially I have 2 mirrors here so that I could dye my hair. And I definitely got this at the dollar store. Some books, some perfume, a black curtain. I'm actually getting a new black curtain from killstar.com. I can't wait for that to come in the mail because I've had my eye on it forever. So I'm getting a new curtain from killstar.com. I'm super excited. It's going to be black velvet. It's going to tie the whole bathroom together. It's so beautiful. And yeah, I think that's probably it for our tour today because my bedroom is a mess and it's not complete. So I'm not going to show you. We're just going to go elsewhere. Yeah. Here's a close-up. A little skeleton. Got dollar store. Oh, shit. Skeleton. That spiderweb lace. And yeah, I'm super excited to continue working on my home and make lots of art this semester. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like what you saw. You want to see more videos like this. I can do tons of different topics. I can talk about painting. I can talk about bullet journaling. I can talk about my own personal life experiences. I'm just getting started with my YouTube channel, so I really hope you guys like this. Click that notification bell if you want to see what I got going on, if you want to see my projects progress, especially the drawing that I did for the graduation dress. I'm really excited to be working on that, and I really hope that you guys can continue my journey into Gothic DIY. I have so many ideas, and I just want to share it with all of you. So thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Take care. Bye, y'all.